pain during intercourse, difficulty to experience orgasm. Okay, various issues are there. So this erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation is mainly connected with males. See, there are males having this particular issue. That means erectile dysfunction, and they are not able to stimulate their stimulate their sexual organ. Once it is stimulated only, they are able to have the sex. So there are people with this issue. Those are having this issue. Maybe after marriage, maybe because of tension, fear. Maybe it may happen over first 1 week or second week. It may happen. Maybe sometime the first time they are doing sex, they have the fear, tension. What is that? If there is tension and worries, they are not having no erection. It will not happen. It will not stimulate the male sex organ. It's normal, quite normal behavior. And if it is continuing for a long period of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, that means he is not able to have sex. That means inability is there, inability to have sex. That means he is not having the capacity to have sex. So what will happen? He can't, enjoy. He can't, satisfy the partner. All right, guys. So we have treatment for this kind of issues. Treatment is should concern, because people are not getting treatment for this kind of issues. How I will consult with the doctor? For example, another issue, premature ejaculation. Few guys, they sex organ will stimulate, but they are not able to take the partner to the climax stage. Just the very beginning, initial stage itself, semen is releasing. Then what will happen? The woman is not able to reach to the climax stage. The partner, you're not the woman is not able to enjoy sex. The initial stage itself, so male semen is released. Then after that, men's capacity is gone. Men is not able to continue the sexual relationship or intercourse. So what will happen? Again, that will affect the sexual satisfaction or enjoying that particular activity. So like lack of interest in sex, pain, exactly. A lot of these sexual dysfunctions are there. See why I am trying to say that in the classroom. There are people with this issue. At least even if there's one guy is there, definitely their marital life will be failure. They are not able to enjoy sex because sexual relationship in the husband and wife relationship, sexual relationship will give more bonding, emotional bonding. So maybe the studies say that those who are having sexual relationship, having good emotional bonding, they have less problems, interpersonal, very less interpersonal problem with the husband and wife, because they have emotional bonding. So it will affect entire family life, happiness. So we need treatment. Medication is there, psychotherapies are there, sex therapies are there. So we should consult with the professionals, physician. It is mandatory, because that's why in the beginning itself, the people are not ready to reveal, not able to consult with these kind of issues. Of course, those are having these issues, definitely, they should consult with the doctors. Definitely, they will help you. There are, physician, therapist is there to help out, help to solve this kind of issues. So then the person will be healthy, sexually healthy. So this is very important aspect. And so we will, because there are other areas is there, sexual disorder. Sexual disorder means unusual. I will give you one example and we will move to the other person.
Excuse me, sir.
And guys, who is presenting the next topic? Because spoke about.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, me, Niyati, sir.
People are having less, maybe in your school level, maybe you have less, education, about this area. Not that much sex education, you got in this area. I think so. That's why I just explained these areas. And guys, who next premarital sex, we will connect about all other aspect. premarital pregnancy. So who is talking? 181, 182?
Sir?
Sir, it's Niyati and Satakshi, sir. Sexually transmitted diseases.
Sorry?
Sexually transmitted diseases, sir.
Oh, you are talking about sexually transmitted disease.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Then, okay, we will do one thing. Let me check the.
Sir,
All
we
right.
are 181 and 182.
191 is there? 191?
181, sir.
181 premarital pregnancy, and
Yes,
191 and 196 sexually transmitted diseases, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, could you please talk about one premarital pregnancy, 181 and 182?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
please.
So, is it advisable to do anal?
This, this our presenters are there. See, various type of sexual preference is there, right? So anyway, we are not able to go to the next presentation. So the presenters, please, can you answer for this question? Hello, presenters. So he is having one question. Who presented? No, can you answer to the question?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Okay, all right.
So I think proper research needs to be done before
Ah.
going into the practice.
All right.
So I recommend him to do his research first
All right.
and ask consent from his partner.
Okay. See, guys, of course, this people are having various, sexual interest. That will be vary from person to person. For example, some of them are having, oral sex, interested to oral sex, male, anal sex is there. So here, the enjoying the sex, it depends on the partner's interest. No, both parties are ready to do, for example, anal sex, oral sex, no. So they are interested to do this activity. Nothing wrong. Because if it is painful, it is violent in nature, or we are forcefully doing these things, then the one other person is not able to enjoy sex. Right, guys? So it should be, the satisfaction level will be, equally, important. So if the person, for example, in the case of, a male, he would like to have, oral sex, but the partner is don't like to have oral sex. If the person is forcing to do that, of course, she is not able to enjoy sex because it is she don't like to do that. Then what will happen? Only the one person can enjoy sex. The forcefully, certain people will do violence in sexual activity. Will bite him, will beat them. So that is connected to sexual disorder. I didn't talk about that because we don't have enough time. That's why I didn't, talk about this area. I think so. The experiments you can do it in this area. So and maybe if you read some, if you are interested, I will share one the book Johnson and Johnson. He has done a lot of research in this area and how to make sex more beautiful. So in this book, he has mentioned about various steps and various positions. How can you have the sex? What are the issues? Lot of things. So systematically, he explained the sexuality and sexual relationship. And even I didn't talk about a lot of things. And I remember, guys, last couple of 3 months ago, they married. And he was sharing a couple of weeks, so he was sharing the issue with the person. She now she is conceived. Guys, am I audible? Now
So your voice is breaking.
Yes.
close.
Am I audible now? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was talking about the incident, the real life incident. So one of my friends, sister, she married 3 months ago. Now she is conceived. And the issue, the man, she is conceived that particular moment, no? Maybe the woman is not able to interested to have sex. But this guy will not allow. He needs sex. But she is telling if I'm doing sex, it's painful. She's conceived. But he is forcefully trying to do sex. But we can see here the male should understand the mentality of the women, because in our case we if we are tensed, we will have sex. It is a mechanism. I remember one of my professors said in the classroom. So sex is the best therapy to reduce the sex. I mean stress and other things. When the male is doing sex, he will be relaxed after. It is the best relaxation technique. So, but in the case of female, if they are tensed, they are worried, they are not in a good mood, they don't interested in sex. See the difference of male and female, and during the time of menstruation, they are not interested in sex. So don't force to do that. So the male has to control their emotion. Male has to understand the partner's difference, their emotional state, their preferences. So what I'm trying to say that if you want to enjoy sex, or if you want to have a beautiful moment with your partner, understand your preferences. And you can do any experiment. Nothing wrong. Both are okay, ready to do the experiment, you can do. So that kind of knowledge and awareness we should develop in this case. Otherwise, you may heard about marital rape. What is marital rape? We also spoke about violence. That time we also domestic violence. That time marital rape is happening. The husband is forcefully doing this kind of activity. The husband has to understand the emotional aspect, physiological aspect of human. That is respectful sexuality, respecting the partner, understanding the partner. That is respect to sexuality. Taran, it's clear? Sorry, who asked the question? It's clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I asked. Yes, sir, it's clear. So I have another question, if you don't mind.
Okay.
So
if
suppose.
I know, I can tell you, right? Okay. All right,
Yes, sir.
please.
So suppose that I am having sexual relations with like 15 plus partners, but it's all consensual and like no one minds it. Is it fine to go ahead with it?
Okay, I didn't get you the you're talking about the emotional aspect, or you're talking about that point. Can you explain again?
Yeah, sir, like suppose I am having safe sex with like protected and everything with
All right.
multiple different people.
Okay.
That so is it like wrong to do it with multiple people, or is it fine if it as long as it's consensual?
But ethically, it is wrong. Ethically, we are talking about next topic. We are talking premarital pregnancy, right? So there is. Sorry. Yeah. I know it's okay. Others have.
So, but if it's protected sex, then the chance of premarital pregnancy is very low, right?
Okay. Yes.
So, how is that ethically wrong?
You guys know in our Indian culture, the before marriage sex we are not promoting, right? In Indian culture, right? Am I right?
Yes,
The society and your family and the male also. Even if you are marrying again, we should be virgin. That kind of attitude is there in the society, So various perception about this thing. So the cultural aspect, ethical aspect. So in Indian context, definitely don't try before marriage, because other thing is that will deviate our attention, so we will deviate to some other way. And moreover, I was talking about this guilt feeling here, some other psychological issues, maybe maybe because the person is having different experience with different woman. Maybe once he married, after his marriage, he is comparing with other person. Okay, she is not performing well. Why my wife is not doing such a way? See, there is a lot of comparison we'll make. If you have different experiences, so there is a chance to get some issue with your marital after marriage with the wife. So psychological issues are there, and I was talking about the guilt feeling. Maybe after that, the human mind may change. Oh, I made a mistake. I'm not supposed to do that. And ethically it is wrong, right? Ethically, we are in the society not expecting this behavior in the society, multiple partner or before marriage. And something what we are talking about, premarital pregnancy, maybe if we are thinking, okay, I'm using all the protective measures, sometime we don't have any protective measures, the stimulate, emotion is there, we will try it. That's why premarital pregnancy is happening. They are not intended to have to conceive the that woman. Just for enjoying sex, they are doing it. That's why premarital pregnancy is happening. They don't want the baby. Unwanted child is unwanted birth is happening. So maybe okay, I will use all the protective measures. Maybe certain point of time we don't have any protective measures. So that may lead to premarital pregnancy. So better and good, and you can have sex after marriage. That is my advice.
Okay, so but the thing is, we won't be able to change if we still have this. If we're saying society expects us to do this, but if we normalize it, then people will have to change, because the only thing that's constant is change. And if we don't change, then there's no point, right? So if we actually promote this and but do it in the right way, then we are changing India for the better, rather than sticking to, yes, our culture says this, you can't do this. But if we normalize it, if we make it okay, then people will have to change eventually.
All right. Any other observations, guys?
So, you said about the same-sex relationship, right? So how will they have children? Is this homosexuality biological or something, or is it a thing that is barred by society of Western culture?
Sorry.
You said about this homosexuality, right? Is it biological or is it imparted by society?
Is it biological?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it in the gene to the same gender?
Of course, it's a biological connection is there. Even opposite gender also some biological changes happening in the brain, right? Biological connection is there. Neurochemical changes are happening. That's why we are stimulating. When we are before sex, the males are getting stimulated. But some of chemical changes, biochemical changes happening in the brain. That's why emotions are occurring, right? So of course.
So won't they be eliminated from the I think the population pool? If they don't have children, then they won't even inherit their traits, right? The homosexual trait.
Exactly. No, there is a chance. What you said is absolutely right. But the World Health Organizations and other people accepted this behavior because percentage is very high. So there are
but I think it would only last for this century, right?
This I'm just talking about the last. I'm just there is a textbook I told you, ICD-10, DSM-5, ICD-11. These are the latest edition for this textbook. In the textbook, they have removed early. It was not a usual behavior. I mean, it was unusual behavior, but they deleted, and they said they are considering as a normal behavior because the percentage is very high, increasing the percentage. So they decided to add it as a normal behavior. As you said, it's a hormonal changes because of hormonal changes. If having this kind of issues are there, of course.
So a normal, like what was considered earlier normal, who can they change their perception into homosexuality then? Can heterosexuals be homosexuals?
Heterosexuals be can
Change
no,
into.
no, because no, they have special interest. No, if anybody is forcing me, I am belong to heterosexual category. If anybody is asking to have the sex with the same, I can't do it. I'm not interested.
Yeah, so won't they be eliminated from the gene pool then?
If you are asking about the biological aspect, I'm not that much strong, So I know the biological changes are happening because the World Health Organization is doing some research in this area, right? WHO, and according to their report and research, I'm saying about the statistics. So if you are asking about the biological aspect, I'm not strong enough to that area. All right, Karthikeyan, and I think you can read about, maybe some articles are there. Let me try. If there is any article is available in the internet, let me share the, the PDF. Okay. I will also try from my side. All right, Karthikeyan.
So we need to go for next class. Can we go?
Yeah, of course. Thank you, guys. I know you have more queries.
Thank you, sir.
The discussion.
Thank you, sir, for answering our questions.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Good day, guys.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
116 for so we
Oh,
are
just a minute. Let me update. Just a minute.
Thank you, sir.